Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Sims 4 error code 133, ae7d48ae. As per our research, the error occurs when players try to bring their Sims back home, but instead they receive the error and are unable to continue playing. According to our research, this error is likely caused by outdated game files, broken mods, or corrupted cache data. Now let's move on to the possible fixes for this error. The first thing you should try is restarting your device, then checking if there is a pending update for the game or your mods. If an update is available, install it and check if the error still comes. If the game and mods are up to date, then move your mods folder to the desktop. Then go to Documents, then select Electronic Arts, then select The Sims 4 and delete the local thumb cache file. After that, repair your game and then try playing on a backup of your save to check if the error persists. If you have already tried removing mods and repairing game files but the error is still appearing, then we recommend reaching out to EA support to report the issue and get further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.